All right, here is the PowerPoint for Unit 7. To review last week, the rule was a vowel pair syllable has two vowels that work together to make one sound. The first vowel in the pair has a long sound, and the second vowel is silent. For this week, our rule is a vowel team syllable has two letters that work together to make a special sound. So here's some examples. OU and OW together make ow. OI and OY together make oi. AW and AU make aw. The first word is account. To open a bank account, you will need your social security number. There are two syllables in account. The second syllable has two vowels, O and U. These letters team up to make a special vowel sound, ow. Allow. If Anna gets a job, her parents may allow her to buy a car. There are two syllables in allow. The second syllable has two letters, O and W. These letters team up to make a special vowel sound, ow. Author. It took the author more than a year to write his first novel. There are two syllables in author. The first syllable has two vowels, A and U, together. These team up to make a special vowel sound, aw. Awful. The child refused to take his medicine because it tasted awful. There are two syllables in awful. The first syllable has two letters, A and W, together. These letters team up to make a special vowel sound, aw. Disappoint. You may disappoint your friend if you don't attend his birthday party. How many syllables are in disappoint? In which syllable do two vowels appear together? What special sound does this combination make? Loyal. Service dogs are trained to be loyal and obedient to their masters. How many syllables are in loyal? In which syllable do two vowels appear together? What special sound does this combination make? Autograph. Fans at the hockey game waited patiently to get the goalie's autograph. Where is this word divided into syllables? In what syllable do you hear a special vowel sound? What letters make this sound? Awkward. A baby giraffe's first steps were awkward and clumsy. Where is the word divided into syllables? In what syllable do you hear a special sound? What letters make this sound? County. Driver's license applications are available at the county courthouse. Where is the word divided into syllables? In what syllable do you hear a special vowel sound? What letters make this sound? Here are some other words that fit the rule. Moisture. The hiker's moisture-resistant boots help to keep his feet dry. Power. Scientists have found a way to turn the sun's solar power into energy. voyage. The cruise ship set out on a 10-day voyage across the Atlantic Ocean. How does the rule apply to each of these words? Moisture, power, voyage. All right, here are the 12 words for this week that you will need to learn and study.